Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you today? Thank you for opening my videos. And today I'm thinking to eat a KFC fried chicken. But when I check, some restaurant of KFC is locked down because you know the pandemic right now. So I'm thinking, why don't I make by myself? I know the recipe, but I have a chicken, I have a lot of ingredients. So I show you how to cook KFC fried chicken. Are you ready? Let's come to my kitchen. Okay guys, let me start how to cook fried chicken KFC style. The first ingredient that we must have is buttermilk. But don't worry, if you don't have buttermilk, we can make by ourselves. You just buy the full cream milk and adding some acid come from lime or lemon, or you can use the vinegars, apple one or orange one. I have the apple, sometimes I use this one, but this time I use the natural one, is from lime. You will feel the texture after you mix together. It will be a little bit thicker. Like this. See, yeah, look thicker. The texture is different now. I didn't add anything, only milk and acid from lime. After that, you can pour to the chicken. Some people they add salt, but I will not, because I have another separate ingredients that's already contained with salt. And some other people also didn't using buttermilk, they're using come from the chicken broth, but I don't want it because this is the packing could be MSG contained, because I'm always cooking without MSG, but this is the optional. If you don't mind to use it, please. And this is the fresh chicken. I will off the water. And we pour it. Minimum is 8 hours. And then keep longer in the refrigerators is better to make a tender the meat of the chicken, and make sure it's covered all with the buttermilk. Cover. I put in the refrigerator. And then I have the one already I marinated. So in this recipe you have a two-step. One, you marinate it first, the chicken, and then second one, the other side we will cook and how to process before we keep the chicken in the deep oil, cooking oil fried. So this is after all night. It will be tender and easy to cook after that. So what will happen with another ingredients? And I put salt, pepper also here, black pepper, white pepper, garlic salt, celery salt. So this is the authentic KFC, use the herbs. So I apply some of them. It's like 2 spoons. Here, and the rest I put in flour that I mix with cornstarch, flour, multi-purpose, and I put extra salt here. Don't forget, in this bowl they have a garlic salt and celery salt. So I apply Before that, I will warm up the cooking oil. Now I mix the ingredients, another ingredients to my buttermilk. Okay, now I prepare another bucket is the cold water with the ice. Why? You can see why after this. I'll show you. First I pick up one chicken, the one marinated over 8 hours. Put here. And the other one, so I put it here. Must dry hand, and I cover it. And then the other one. Make sure all touch it with the flour. Look, the texture before you fry is already look like crispy. And then keep deep for a few seconds, not more than 2 seconds. 1, 2, and you pick up and you apply footage here. That's the cold water. Reaction of the cornstarch to the cold water it will be stiff. And gentle. Tap on. I think the cooking oil is ready, it's hot enough. And then tapping like this. And fry. Then the other one more chicken. I use the small frying pan because I only want to show you this example how to make the fried chicken. And this one also ready for dipping to the cold water. 1, 2 and drop. Then again, put the heat down a little bit. So guys, this is the chicken. Show you how crispy. Ooh, hot. Very nice. Make sure you must cook for your family. Okay guys, this is the chicken that we cooked today. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you can click your finger to subscribe and like my video. I will come again with another daily recipe by Sinta. Thank you. Bye.